Hopeson for higher GC news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot and enamide bremo. And unti so we subscribe to channel idea bomodia say obe subscribe. The obe say obe clicky a year the subscribe button you know. Now wa barely a year notification you know. We answer new video be upload no. When the first person I want sa ever can a year sa video. Afi we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up now fi share now for froso na when you be here now who is somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanum afi yehwe ye ensemo abeto yepono so mumenti ye sanko mo yekoso sa report ya ababeto jai yenti de ekoso
before so beto aso no ne o nyame na obabebu Ronaldo no wa fiji maba Thank you.
Gabby, I mentioned what's here for Namenkase. Kwaku Annan lead the conversation up to the election has to do with accountability. Because upon this particular platform, I remember the number of times you recount to issues of corruption plaguing this country. Book, you need figures here, market Kenya, give you a graphic, your friends understanding of Niamasi Okromase are very horrific. Because of that, a minor I lose a huge sums of money. So after elections, you know, Adia Ghana Nibia Tiabontia or shame say, what is next? Is it going to be business as usual? And I buy they are no kakeke. And I think so all her signs now clearly there is this slight demonstration that government is really committed to doing something about the situation. And no, and Ghana for shame. The last week, what ensued between the special prosecutor, Ofori Atta, and other people, and the Akoso Ewokroma saying. But Adeba Ghana form for morning call, they are looking at Ofori Atta, what to crime, or Kosiki care, our bontin, special prosecutor, channel, were declared a fugitive. So the conversation, you know, there are other key issues that are quite black, people are not looking at. And that is the side I want to hit on this morning before I will look at the figures. JB. Yes, sir. Makachro said, on my yeti, politics, leadership, governance, I take a joke 10. You put two serious people at leadership position. And it's the reason why in Nema I see in the past, you know, I see Ewo Kroma saying. Ofori Atta in question was a finance minister in Ghana for 7 good years. MPP for at some point in time were fed up. Yeah, sure. Ebisansa are buying too, but said Osikano and Nebuchadnezzar in nature or an absence on the union free. So this guy, as a finance minister, messed up the economy of this country.
I address him accordingly. Ofori Atta, he's not a guy.
Now I'll be a guy. A man. No, it's just for the sake of conversation. This is an informal conversation. There'll be a better day I can say. So the guy was a finance minister for 7 good years in this country. And on the supervising man near my course, Sabi and Kwasi Abosia Ghana boy, I'm on mine that coming in, and he was the person behind it. Mekacho say, Ofori Atta the Nisi Krum now they are abiding a chibizan say, Ken, Obo Bosia, Chenyan Sadia, what the year, one share with a humtia babuno kuno, cause all Nyan Sadia Bakokran Canchero. Omoye, Domoye, and Merwane and Kokrafosika, and ordinance Sato to say. Yeah, the air bomb, my own buying. JB. Abraham John Mahama airco in 2016. Yeah. He built a hospital, Kumase, a ferry hospital, a medical village. Yeah. Our recreation, every single thing you expect to see in a modern hospital, you find it there.
500 bed capacity.
Good. Kumase. Yeah, sure. For 8 good years, that hospital was left to rot.
Now 93% completion as at 2016.
Yes. Menon the Captain Smart Betina program was my Deputy Minister of Health, Freka, said the following month that hospital was going to function. Yeah, till date, after the hospital, no, I say, this joker left this country and he has the infantry to tell me now, say, or no, call America, I could see care. You see, America just said, we put jokers in power. Because this guy, any sense of shame, the last thing he will do is to tell us, or Kosiki care in America. And hospital now see, no, a Mayo Clinic. So, or a field of medicine, Mayo Clinic come to your mind, and you know, say it is one of the most expensive and the best medical facilities in America.
I see.
A lot of medical research, of course, in recent times, now most of them is being done through their faculties. Then I say for Mayo Clinic is one of the best facilities you can find in the world. This joker, after toying and messing with Ghana, na Ghana tetia pansam no, or not timinya kukodro, a sorokse or ko Mayo Clinic akosi kike. Onya kwenya busia no boy no. Na some of us were here advocating say yam fine investing in your healthcare system. Oh, Kroma say the guy insisted say or kwa akosi cathedral. Emma yasuma asofo asabi ebinum so say wonhu de wo mutim e soro ko Israel so mo kofa bo aba kroma as nipa dwe te say nkra. And the president justification is say yakona yekosi cathedral na God will help us to avert civil war. Now nkra adwen we say adwen we and edibu man. How can that country progress? The president na thinking say yesi cathedral we are calamity be a civil war be na okoko d'Ivoire yamosokro. The biggest cathedral was built by a president. Yeah. 2016 2013 war no see ye no omudwane te sese bia nkanane. The cathedral couldn't save them. Sikana yedi besi hospital wa hase no jebi ye tam de kotu amena ukọ amena numa entwere ne ye fe ne say double enedi agro. They couldn't even build that particular thing. After messing up with this health facility and health infrastructure, nurses and doctors of Moriyo School, no, they are still at home. Nurses of Moriyo School 2020, they are still at home. Because facilities anywhere you're supposed to be their home. Because as of for Ofori Atta and the government then were telling us, instead of investing in hospitals and other healthcare infrastructures, they are all young to us or the Sikano Kosi Cathedral. And then Asama bana kronoa bana brabeyi wanoa. That joker has the infantry to write to the special prosecutor say, oh, me wa clinic me kosi kike na me kra no me nim da me bana se me wia. That tells you say, o mine nankasa na yenye serious. And I'm saying say Ofori Atta either dead or alive, the guy must be brought into this country. Either dead or alive. The guy must be brought back to this country and answer for what he has done.
Na say ofri mudia na asabasa.
Oh, that answer. You see, Mese Babi and Mradu no, we need to establish a conventional deterrence. And I will have what happened in Germany. The Nuremberg trials. Nipana Adolf Hitler do mudin se mununo. Do not know Janeko Argentina. Israel for a chile kochichi birum do mo kokosho mo ne yokuomo. E dodo na wuye. But the Nuremberg trial, no, tried people in absentia.
Yeah, sure.
Even after their death, no, they were convicted. And the house, even though this person was not tried in person, they were tried in absentia and they were convicted even after their death. Yeah. And the Ukraine, you can still be convicted because the crimes these people have committed, no, JB, say yentimi anya mana nyansa na hobia, abanya asase, it will end up the same way. That was why the last time I catch us, I'm for your position and who ye any farm fair because him so messy up, no consequence be down. But we need to change that narrative. My man for who say, oh messy up, even though you're government, the consequences are there for you to face. And it's the reason why this particular Ofori Atta matter, and not just Ofori Atta, several other crimes we need to recover these monies. Because governance is not an avenue where people come amass wealth to themselves and then they take care of themselves, and the vast majority who invested their time, energy and everything into that government, become poor. And in the end of the day, about a cycle. Whereby we are not whereby we are not whereby we are not the input you expect, you don't see it. And there is something I told you on this platform. Maybe we will fee.
Okay, masters, bass or bro for those.
No. Me catch all this particular platform say we were being ruled by a cartel of unintelligent criminals. That was okay. Good. What will National Service scandal now?
Yes, sure.
What will say? How the whole deal was cooked? That you could say these are Nipo Munim Nyansa and no cookie that particular deal. Akrom for bunim nyansa because national security and national service scandal no akora say bi obi a onim nyansa bia kora no behu say ade na e cookie no enya ade nyansa wom Kojebi, how do you explain So oh yeah, your friends are fraud. Now after one person, one Abubakar something, then you slot in his name 226 times. You are paying the person from the same database. Again. So uko details into some of the names from that seminar.
Yeah.
There is this Alaji something oil national service within 92 years. I'm telling you
Error.
No, it's not error, it's part of the database. Now when nipa within 92 years oil national service. I'm telling you that these are a bunch of unintelligent criminals. Because Abayinuna Onimyansantino imported these people to come to government, and when you bring idiots into government, they will collect to their idiocy best.
I see. Can you hear?
Me say these are criminals. I would omo ba Abayinuna omo that opportunity na. Na say sabi omo tinche no mu di nsemu no omo wura Abayinuna ma. Nsemu no ba double. Because this time no, they have faculty, they have resources, they have everything. They even have power to do whatever they are doing. And unti na nipa ote national service secretary betimi afọ obi a wadi 92 years. Di yan say so national.
Kenya ni bi kura ka ho.
Yes, omo ko internet and omo ye photo shopping. Enti ofa Kenya ni nanim no wa man Ghana din. Na nyansa ni because memeti yes amekasa me ye fraud da ubewu akwa aba ma wona na aba, you will never find out.
I see.
Oh yes. Because if you are smart, that is what you do.
Oh,
na me bokro you can never uncheme. That's what I'm telling you. But these people, because they are not smart, and you know, no, I don't know, because I know that criminals are very intelligent people.
Yeah.
Because I call medicine.
Oh yeah, criminal na say chewa no wajimi.
Exactly. Because your friend is saying your friend say medicine or moye. A man for a medicine at the beside there. There are other people who also invest in other side called pseudo medicine. Do you know what they do? Medicine, no, your friends say you deal with pathology. They almost create sad near man. For instance, there is this crime syndicate I say omonam ye free medical care for a man for no monam no more surgery. Go to your friends saying there is this country called your friends saying Mecca omo medical mercenaries.
Yeah.
What they do is the omoba facility now. They were rendering free your friends surgery for people. Not to know in Sasana omo organ harvesting syndicate. Ye biya yema when you want to see a kidney back. Operation omo free no. But omonti later alarm no bro ya no. Not just say obi a go through that surgery ni bia o kidney back one ira. Now and o kidney see a kidney near 2 back be ya adwuma until say bibi besi no hwan na obeda asara ko clinic say me kwese me kidney wo ha. Why be that? Nti say ya twa ye ntwa ye wini. So omoni ba omo so no not this organ harvesting way no aye big business around the world. These are criminals. It took ages for that particular thing to be discovered. That is what intelligent criminals, when they operate, that is how they operate. In America, some of the recent cases, crimes were committed in the 30s until recently.
In the 30s?
Yes. Until recently, and Omutimi identify some of the culprits. Try a modern as a phone. But these are people, and I'm so crime no crime committed, they don't even know how to do it. And to offer 92-year-old, because 92-year-old oil national service is a red flag.
I see.
Pictures no more far from internet. Google no more they changing Ghana. Do you know? The very moment Kenya knew who Kenya anymore, obviously it will give you out. But I know so these are some of the things that they did. And Gabby, the side of it is
and even with national service, the moment I'll be D40 and above, won't mean national service. I mean,
so as an ordinary person, now also into what has happened. You have that slight inclination after 40 years of crown. So I ever say in a national service secretary, we go Akufo Addo 92, di India shame. I just don't find any answer.
Maybe I know 29. David, so I visit so a sort of government institution. My NASA on your national service. I am found. The empire say that's on your opportunity. Until Omuka to call you and say ya found.
No, that's you also know, sir, 90 years you are above any government work because retirement is 60. So there is no justification.
Now, boys in here, no,
no, sir, the normal routine processes are either 92 years, back, can be a private work, government work, you don't qualify.
So, according to ORA, Maminka will quick one about the national category. Right. According to ORA, I would say US $4.5 billion national service payroll scam. Investigated by reveals that the inclusion of 200,000 fictitious names, commonly referred to as ghost names, on the National Service Secretariat's payroll between 2020 to 2024. Consequently, the fraudulent activity is estimated to have caused financial loss amounting to approximately 68.46 billion Ghana cedis. That is around $4.5 billion US, if calculated based on monthly allowance of 715 Ghana cedis per ghost names over 48 months.
And you know, what you say? Say ghost names, you know. And you know, say some of the ghosts are Ghana card.
I also need fingerprints.
Yes,
but
deliberately, no, we create Ghana card for them, and they created fake university IDs for them.
I see.
And you call UCC, every university be our kind of generate your friend is saying student ID using the year and maybe course no way depending on which university. These people generated fake university IDs. They inserted these things in the database. Student or Marco UCC as for Obia who not a faker, obviously it will give you out. So be aware smart or commit a crime, no. You could see clearly these things are never ever give you out. And I am telling you the quality of personnel are very often in the name of dirty politics. Yes, so would be good. So if the person the sense of thinking is very inferior. Now, obetimi to this level. Now, we nipa we ba abayima. Question will be say improvement be no dey ba abayina apart from so chrono. And that is the problem that we have created. So, JB, I think that crimes like this, can never go unpunished. We need to set a stage. Yebetimi ayesa nema we nyina different the man for who said, "Who your mind sika in the first place, the money will have to be recovered." Yajia we no. Na sentence bia o hobia na se nipa no face bia no, you face it. We don't do this thing because we want to punish people. Now mom say be betimi aye as a deterrent. Other people will not do it.
Yeah, sure.
Potential people in government will be criminals who will also be deterred. Say nipa we ya dey we no consequences in there. How can we do these things? And one thing I me person me saying can one say
okay.
What na say bisa I say Argentina state institution in executing their functions, Baku 40 meeting adwum. No national service scandal way according for the last 8 years old.
But we period from 2020 to 2024. So a 4-year period.
No.
Yes, I know.
Yes,
so they've been in government for 8 years.
Yes,
but according to this report,
yes,
within a 4-year period.
Yeah, I'm not even looking at the oral report. I'm talking about the events. The fourth state investigation. Year 2017.
Yes.
So what be say? Say any institutional weakness and a systemic weakness and a year we no ever say na Akufo betimi atena one office abokro for 8 good years.
But first one Mustafa no, is it former sports minister? Former sports minister. Yes, on an NSS boss and so not says to be
no, me dey say everyone is saying and that rot akoso for that long stretch of time.
Sure.
Now, no institutional mechanism be or yet me identify these things. There should be a system in place. I bet me yet me recover, yet me monitor some of these things. They don't happen. It's the reason why I always have issue with the Auditor General's report. Yet Nansema Crono no coso admonum wie. Now for Yakofo buku kakra ni asesa ni nyina gumu kan kura unwie. Auditor General report all afekra untumi kan wie. And so what mechanisms and you put in place at the institutional level, we deal with the corruption as it happens. There are structures in place just to ensure we prevent the crimes instead of these are weaknesses going forward. We also need to look at and address them. And yes, sir, there be a radio so TV so discussing scandals and very often we don't even recover. God national service for 8 good years. Be betima tena asesa ghost names dia shame sa aya culture da to them they feel free to do. I think that this institutional weakness now embedded in our governance system as you finding a way to address them. And yes, how we will never move forward. I'm making sure that things like this, the punishment will be so severe and will be so consequential to the stand say what when enya wakono say dear friend chrono obekwa bobi. We need to send a message to people say aban sika free to from kra na unya hu ni wura say uja na hokọ ana ofa de kokoja That is the culture that we need to establish in this country, and it's what I'm expecting President Mahama say going forward. You know, Obey Sanya Mania institute those things because the only difference between any people elsewhere in the Western world, indiscipline, the culture of indiscipline everywhere in our governance system.
That's true.
Baby and the panel will be, and they try to create a new way, either to steal, either to the obey. But abrochire, those systems are there to check people.
Yeah,
you understand? But I can't say, yeah, we cover Pope be a president, one checking of a bokrono. And you know, those incentives and opportunities and money no. We need to take it away, and by making man know, say, there are consequences for our actions. But we live in a country where you do anything and you get away with it. And these are some of the things you wake up to. It's the reason why these people were bold enough to sit at National Assembly Secretariat. Did what they did. Ofori Atta Panic all year in the Omani Sikadi and said, boom, without parliamentary approval. He knew. Gabby, again. Parliament, one of the institutions that are failing Ghana overwhelmingly.
I see. Which of the parliaments? Is it the 7th or the 8th parliament?
Let me use parliament. And way specifically, I'm talking about the parliament in April. Is it the 8th parliament? Yes. Because we figures in the national service for providing they were sending these figures to parliament. Parliament has an oversight responsibility. Institution national service cano. The Auditor General, they all have oversight responsibility. And are they telling us, yeah, the list about they don't do any background check? No one said the is that what they are telling us? So, what is the oversight responsibility of this state institution? Because Parliament, there is a reason why some of these lists, you know, you go through, you do your own background checks, you do to verify whether these numbers are correct, whether they are consistent. Numbers now you deploy, you know, how many people actually went to the ground. There is a reason why such numbers must be submitted to Parliament. So Ubisa I want to say, wait to cost 8 years. Now Parliament oversight we no anti catch. Now obedient until 4th state investigation and send all drama for attention. Clearly, there is massive institutional weakness that must be addressed in this country. You understand? So, in some no, corruption, there are fundamental weaknesses locked to the heart of our governance system that we need to sit down as people. Now, you're making sure that you address it by Croman and Samsia. We look at the individuals involved. We look at the political parties they are coming from. So we politicize the whole issue and we forget about the fundamental leakages underpinning institutions. As a address, so at the end of the day, you go after the people, the institutional weaknesses are there. Will come back and other people will come and create it. Because national security, national service scandal, Mekasa President Mahama, Akufo Addo in 2016. So it means the fundamental problem at the time, no. Payroll fraud, we couldn't address it at the time. But that was the time for us to look at these things. Now you're slotting in. Now you're making sure say you cave in. So I think they're going forward, you know. We really need to get serious in this country and make sure say we punish crimes. And yes, sir, we will lose this country, our essence and everything that we stand for.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
I think so. Okay, my name quick one. I want to say, share this document. Ghanaian American comedian.
He was the one and out.
Oh, okay. Then go ahead. All right.
Okay, my brother, assistant pa, Yana Emma, it's my brother, Lurefi, Yanko Kaino. You free about 2016. No, our baby, no kind. We do have John Mama. Obi who said, or say, what that don't have $1 million. Then a John Mama here.
Victoria Hammer.
Yes, and then a John Mama here. Yes. I know just a Sally Pacona, I can't answer. Mammy Maui and Patroni. No, a
preview to Ghanaians.
No, even aside that, let your camera capture this. You see, this time around, no. Nyaminti technology aba aman kophobia na omo se omo na mako school bebe bia na omo di brofo ehunhun ya na me ti se obi minister bia ya me adom na wanya minister dia wo wi a onko edi ntina se ono na omo te brofo na le brofo no wo te brofo a na che se wo nyansa wo Ghana
what's that okay
Fatima Samson Yama Oba, you say, we respect women. We give them acknowledge. I mean, person make our but shape. So war about to be one can say, oh, motor brofo. Now brofo, and they did here. Brofo, they did like bo. Brofo, and they did for trotro. And your brofo some more. Men for brofo, and be vying. You're key. Any Ausano, ever Boagana. We don't need English. Share, I want to brofo, I'm share white, I'm crap, and there's a suitcase. No, a corona Bogana. I brought for you, my brother. I can say, or Muko Parliament House. I want to go for more Parliament House. Sign them a fully, Eba Muhe, no, do or none in Yami, as I said, John Mahama, and you and say, or Banoso, and can be casting, I just said, John, that's a coma. And free education. Nanado, I catch say, about 5.7 million. And now, Oma benefited from free education. And then, former education minister. I say a typo, and I said, it was a mistake. How come, boss? Calculate any? No, calculate any. Money you have 5.7 million. Now, we take 3.5 million free more. Unya say 80% inflated. The inflated free education. 80%. Calculate 80% of 9.9 billion. Sika since 2017 till now, MPP are buying, are spending our free education and I don't catch your parliament no. And say, I'm spending 9.9 billion our free education.
Yeah, and that JB.
Yes, sir.
I think President Mahama buy since he took office.
Is it a second coming?
No, second coming.
Okay.
I think the legacy decision that he's taken to me the biggest one. I am very impactful, the biggest, and I am expecting saying getting a lot of traction within the media. The decision to pay bondholders.
Yes, I mean
it's the biggest decision that he's taken so far. Because with him, this DDEP, in the first place, they buy the same Kwasi and the same Ofori Atta Panic. Are the burden on Ghanaians, and they had the opportunity said they could pay. But because of winning your money until almost one near money in the Ghana for console. So Emma Market Blanks here will can say we invested $1.2 million in this country. Hoping say or the outcome no dividends no better taking care of the school. At some point in time he said according to him they were demanding 10% cuts
Yes.
in bribes and sana. And then who said President Mahama taking that decision or joining the NDC. So it's about policy choices and policy decisions that he's taken. And to me, I think that is the best decision so far that he's taken. I ever bringing relief to people. Many people above 60 years, 70 years earlier retirement being at the hospital. I know the ordeals people go through when they are at that age. You need to buy your drugs, medication, then as a form. And this uncle for no, first as you can through on table so a death sentence no pass their mom. What I say. So I think there is something that we need to look at. Na yen celebrate for that now going forward in the akano yen share na yen deal na yen ka ho asem. Sebeya in the future no. Similar things of this nature no happen here. Aban bi man konkobo ne nkwase abosen a ekodi ni nsem no na ehun sunsanso no method ordinary Ghanaian so
nipa ba ko also a finance minister nipa ba ko also a president no take action is say who incompetence onsem huna wudi ye ena ma man ne boy ye ena fi de dru ba bi no wo ye wa adwen se enkrofo sika e wo bank no enkrofo sika e wo bank no onfa sa amfa so ne ma wo mo de wo pe no onko hyepo ena Ofori Atta ne president na Akufo Addo ehinha ya ne dwane ahantanti omugitu mu se nipa da sani a wa bobra edi ne sika kwakoto bank no nsem hunu ne nkwase asem a wo mu di ye ninti no sa nkrofo we yen sika no enhye de obeka bia no onfiu because on ne wotumi papa ne ye fe ne Ofori Atta papa ba konso ne fa ne na Akufo Addo sankofo we ne tena se ka se yenye sika na da bank no a yenye bone nye hwe no ode ne sa to so because ye ho kire yen ene ye gitu mu ma papa we ye kan papa su wontie ma nipa ewuye ma nipa epraye ma nipa yare because of somebody's incompetence ne Ofori Atta OSP say omna no me cheche nyome ma ne nkrofo na bi mu ne nkrofo bi ne nam ho se papa ne yare no yare a osin nipa bi mibusa enano pemani abre Ofori Atta yeso yare entite se match ono ne yare no wasa akwa abrochire Ghana fododo enti na me se Ghana te se ahyawoni na ke serious pa na Ofori Atta odane ni wo mpa so kra wase yetwe ne ba Ghana ya gye atum se okosa ne ho yare wo abrochire na match wo baabi ni ahweso omra Everade NDC for munye serious ana munkotwe Ofori Atta odane wu mpa so kra mo mane mbra Ghana ha na no nye finance minister for 8 years Adentin wantimi anya nhyehyɛ ama agenda 111 ne sewu na anya adwuma sɛ de be ya oyare a ye betena kurom ha ya on de oyare a wotumi kɔ abrochire ye de ye jimi ye de nim nyansa enti se ye wu a ye nwu ha ye yare a ye ntena ha baro no de opeso otena ase papa na wagu nkrofo adwuma papa na ɔma nkofo suye papa na ɔtam sika de koye in the name of banking cleanup a woka hwea na wontie no ene ye fra ne so mekyerɛkyerɛ nyoma ma yɛse ɔyare na owu a na ayɛ den Ofori Atta owu a na ayɛ den mibusa Ofori Atta no wɔse obi
Nshiraya fan
ɔno nti Karma Health Karma CEO of Karma ɔno a papa wabɔ ne bra afie drume bi na papa ne se oni sika Karma group of companies papa ɔno owo ni sika wafa Ghana fo adwuma bebre no afie duru baby na Ofori Atta ne na Akufo Addo nti ye omu ose onye sika ekra no de aye nneoma. For the first time we had Chief Justice nyina ko demonstration because papa bi e friend Ofori Atta one na Akufo Addo ahantan ne dwane tintintintinti oka wontie enne Ofori Atta yare a ye se yantwen ma ne ho ntonansa ne ho ntone because o ye hwan Ofori Atta ye hwan ye de agimigimi ye busuafo mu wuye ye sika ekoda ho papa we ineptitude ne incompetence no yantwen ma ne ho ntonansa na o ma ye ho atoye enkrofo no mu wuye no because of Ofori Atta no ye de enya nipa Ghana yeso nsem hunu so dodo yeso nsem hunu so dodo
Nshiraya fan
yeso nsem hunu so dodo se Ofori Atta yare no yare antidien owu ana aye den osin obi twa yantu se bia fie o me de ente mani abre afi ni se nanu bia ne ye ka ho asem mumi ama no enti me ka kire mu se bedru baabi no na mo pese na janto me ka bi ma me nka bi ma mo because na pese nka mo support me no mo bia mfi me enne Ofori Atta ye hia no wo Ghana ha ye se oyare te se match Everade ni agye atum monkofa ne mra baabi wo bia monkofa ne mra me se ayikura oxygen tua ne hwene kura monfa ne mra Ghana ha ometra Ghana he ya Ghana ne ye wo no ye finance minister wan fa sika ma ye hospital na anya ya momma ne mra ha owo ha na owu anya hwe Ofori Atta wu anya hwe obi awu because on soon say Karma on soon chen krofo a wa mo mawu on soon chen obi a let him there insida what is it
Nshiraya fan
there insida that's one or Ofori Atta entidien na time na wodi adwunim no na onim so Ofori Atta e dey na Ghana ase so nyoma so ase yesuru no papa we ama yen sika ase enye ne ye ayo okoka onfiu che emmerewafo ne nkokrafo a omu sa line enkokrafo omu sa line me se no pe on me bufu afu no enkrofo omu sa line second Ofori Atta fa yesika ma ye ne ewu papa se nkwasasem na moto mo peden papa wetimi ka chom se na menem ndi nkomo enti de bia mo peden wo menchen
Oh yeah! Come on!
Isha
104.5
papa we egu adwuma GN Bank over 3,000 pa kwasindium ne bank odi ye adwuma abai de pa kwasindium ka pa kwasindium say famisi kama me na at least mintua nkrofo ka Ken Ofori Atta say chinchen mempene jachan on fi I am asking Ken Ofori Atta oye nipa chen wo bi ana Ken Ofori Atta so owu a ochen GN bank for ochen menkrofo mu wuye ochen Ghana for mepra ochen Ghana for omunya problem Ken Ofori Atta owu ana ye dey enti yemfa ne mra Ghana ha no metre mu de oyeye because onso nchen obi a onso nchen mebusuani na owu ye no because of onso nchen se mimi sika manya hwea me de akoto se bank ne mfa nya adwuma ma me no Ken Ofori Atta se obetua ne 10 years time 15 years time mo pa mo nkose po me bebo voice bi a kyerɛw GN bank workers na mamefo papafo a wo mu abusiafo rely on them akwaye wudini Ken Ofori Atta hwe ne honto me hwe baby agana adru no ho yento sabi said de bia ye bompa ye no me say yakopani nsem bia wo ka bia se wo sisi ye no wo honto da because empire boy ye bogu papa we tiri so no wo pese ho to ye de ye nyare oma no munye sika nkoto mu dialysis omu nko dialysis omu nto mu pressure duro mu wuye no na wo de ho na hwe yentie papa no yentie GN bank yentie de course over 3,000 workers and ye lay mu off me wan so GN bank Kwaku Indium banki na aban duo mu ka contractors obo tiamo mu kra so amfie mu yentie de course bra Facebook ye de to so
you amasi now, Captain, we have to me ex-staff of GN Savings. I want to be Juma. Now, I'm seeing him say due to certain things, you know, I'm revoking your license. Now, you can say, OSHA Deposit Taking Institution Act, no, that's a 930. Oba ya can say section 17 8 year. Otchere say one revoke license they should give you to a receivership. And on the man receiver no your friend no on the man PWC Eric Nipa. Okay. Any the man no. Na ye di adoma is one buy so no me ka say rep ba near friend no Azuma. And Azuma ba na Azuma say he say now we are under the receivership. And you know your welfare bibia no. Yeah, staff. Bra Facebook never heard there. Betia Branton na or Casan Betie. GN Bank for no me de wo kwa chem wo hu nyoma Ken Ofori Atta na ebusian for ye. 3,000 workers. 3,000 workers. Yeah. I can give you all the names of the branches. 3,000 workers GN Bank. Nipa ba ko. Ye wo Bunkrugu, ye wo Pusiga, ye wo Garu, ye wo Dana. Every ye wo kona bia ba bia. Kwaku GN Bank. 3,000 workers. If you mobile bank and scroll, me manage you 1,650. Yeah, manage you micro enterprise department. Now my boss Nico Fiasa Mwesian. I don't know if you know him. Wow. And they say a jumano a call from thinking say ebi on be bibia my yeah, yet yes, yet if you be 3 years ni. Captain, me too, yapam me back. You can say 2 months in what if ye. Me car me toy na me see me the year juma a tatak ashe. I may say your PF a war Eric Nipa ho. Your PF waka ho. PF near day. PF near on say you can say snitch we say no this is so what ye na Ken Ofori Atta owu ana ye den. Mi busa oye nipa chen we nipa chen say wo hwe no ho yare when omra Ghana ha no na finance minister at the time we were begging this man see how wicked these people were Nana Akufo Addo ni Ken Ofori Atta mo de makachem so munim de course o entia munim de course o ye wonyoma bi wo kra na Bawumia timi ka say we de mempene so Nana Akufo Addo timi ka chen say Masa, this is my government, this is my presidency. That is the kind of person na munim de na ekoso. This is the Nana Akufo Addo ni Ken Ofori Atta. Omu be wia ye kum ye say ye oman no. Ye ka munim say bia ye mpe papa na sem. But these were wicked people who came to just destroy this country. Obi, look, 3,000 GN Bank nkwa.
6,000 people. Says Sadi Pakrono, Mimiti Hey, Unimin Crofon Kwa say, Majuma Gua, Omuhubetromo. And he said, multimedia, Afami, multimedia for Eugenia, Unimin Crofon Kwa rely on us. Minima sell Bakwa, no ye Juma ye GN Bank and net papanity fee. Penya watching a medu levoa, or ye Juma GN Bank, a binding a car or the Parker syndrome car. Shanazia Parker syndrome call rounds. Office not say, Casa say, just ye bopper panel from Ankasa, ye bopper panel from.
She riot fan.
GN Bank and 1 because or ye CPP new. But don't move form no. I'm sure said do not be MPP NDC. And so can Ofori Atta at the perpetual more din way at na se ma nipa wuye. Until me busa say can Ofori Atta owua na ye den. Na before so be wu no. E was here training ba. Me so okuta order oxygen so kra na. Order oxygen kra monchi can Ofori Atta ma. Mama nchan before of March onye ni panche obia. Bring can Ofori Atta me so order oxygen kra manim na Ghana ha. Yet you crom ha ena cathedral, national cathedral. Ye bedi di atem say yemfa Ghana sika nye. So can Ofori Atta tintin treaty because of what to minti or the nsako bom say $58 million. Yafanko 2 foundation cathedral. Ni ama papa we cho nwanya nkrofobi in the name of MPP communicators defend papa we. You are defending an evil act. National cathedral $58 million. Only the $1 million itimi. $58 million and you pay US for sika. US for some sika. $58 million. Yamfanya cathedral. A swimming pool. And this is the man we are talking about. Sedu Agongo. Bra Facebook nebeshe. Sedu Agongo. Onena obi a heritage bank. Papa we obaye Class Media, Class FM, Accra FM, Bakun Kraya Day, mi refi number 1. Obaha you can say at this year and Kumasi FM. Papa bie obie adwuma ma Ghana fo Sedu Agongo obie adwuma ma Ghana fo at that time crowd be family mama ye adwuma Kumasi FM. Ne bank, one of the best bank, Heritage Bank. O when you see Kadada, Papa no nye hwio. Ken Ofori Atta say Bank of Ghana governor kanche say fata se obe oni bank because ne ho aye fi Sedu Agongo. Bra Facebook na hwe Heritage Bank, Bank of Ghana chase utie papa na sama Sedu Agongo anka adwuma wo be bie Sedu Agongo Beshano, no papa na wo bie Class FM ni adesia ma ene air struggle no papa we agriculture fertilizer ona wo ye wo bie ma Ghana for dodo na ye adwuma o woni sika o but also oboa Ghana Ken Ofori Atta ebe gu bank no Ken Ofori Atta ebe gu bank no because e de bia no mo pese oye no na also on play mo nye enti Ken Ofori Atta tena so enya te se bi wodi sika o Heritage Bank enya te se no mo ni sika o enya te se no mo ni no mo wo sika. They were solvent, but Ken Ofori Atta eka say ma Sedu Agongo into a catch say onya fit and proper nipa onya criminal no nanu no odin komo papa say animonyam ni a sebi nke eka kwasi twumi ka papa we ono so ye boni din wo krom ha obi adwuma e ma Ghana fo na ye adwuma Ken Ofori Atta say ma gu bank no opa koshepo de obe bia ye yemfa ho Fatoso, ye mani koda prison 2 days. Onimunyam ni yo, Sedu Agongo, onimunyam ni awa bi adwuma ma Ghana ni a sikani a wasan ke protecting no. Oya bone kra ye kwaya ye faso ye no. Enkofo we e ma yetimi mani koda, ye beto so koda I think yoko say for 2 days, 2 nights, no da ho. Na wo ye kan sema wo si Mr. Ken Ofori Atta owu a onye nipa nche wo bia. She
she riot fan.
Ken Ofori Atta onye nipa nchen obia. Tina me timi hu na nabi mu no mo ye han na e was say NDC for crowd mo ye weak too much. NDC for ye weak too much. Papa we akunipa. Papa we ni ye ama nipa ewu. Papa we ni ye ama nkofo o menya stroke. Mo tete na mo twen time on no ne ho beto no. Sedu, owner of Heritage Bank, Sedu is not fit and proper to own a bank. Sa way na papa way, nkofo we mutam $250 million ekoye headquarters. headquarters wɔ bra Bank of Ghana office in say no papa yɛ friend Addison or your governor or tenants in na Akufo Addo aban et tam sika se yɛmfa nkɔyɛ headquarters in kromi nya wie
in Shiraya fan.
This is the country na Akufo Addo ni Ofori Atta manage na wote wa o se yehu omumobo o eden na me matena se me hu na Akufo Addo ni Ofori Atta mobo wo bra o ma bo man yi
yo waiting for winning and someone abeto yepono so because se wunya subscribe to channel dia bomode say over subscribe so say hade latest and hot news enko ena me de bravo afi we are na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma of so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memo ha also betimi otchere wadwen afaye nsem we nyira ho e comment box ni mu mubati menka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.